Okay, now we're going to take a look at another one, but this time in word problem format. And I'm going to show you that we're not always finding the percent change like we did last week and in the warm-up. By the way, in the warm-up answer for number 2 was 25.9%, just so you guys need to know. You guys should have found that. You would have had to round that to the nearest tenth, okay? So 25.9, okay? So now, when we take a look at this next particular question, the sales price is $52, okay? So we're talking about a sales price is $52, and it was 35% off. What is the original amount? So you see how that doesn't say what is the percent change? We're looking, but once again, we're going to use the OCN method. Okay, fill in what you know. Remember, 100% is always on the bottom. Sales price. Okay, so that means it's a new total. We don't know the original price, so that's where our X is. Sales price is what you bought when it was on sale. So 52 goes way over here, and that's the price that you are paying for that item when it was 35% off. Well, percents go on the bottom, remember? So 35% is what's changing. So now, this is where I was telling you guys last week. We need to solve for this value, but I have this and this all the way over here. So remember, this is a percent off. So if something's percent off, would you think you'd add it or subtract it? That's right, you would subtract. So you could put a little subtraction symbol right here, in 100 minus 35. When I use your calculators, 100 minus 35 should give me 65. All right, now this is where we go and we see we have a proportion, and we can either A, draw lines showing our proportion that we're going to skip over the middle column, or we could just rewrite the problem. So this is what skipping the lines mean in the middle column, and then you can choose which way you want to go, but it's the same thing. So I have this and this go together, and then this and this go together. You can see it almost forms like a little bit of a butterfly wings. Okay, so we technically have X over 100 equals 52 over 65. Okay, that is our proportion that we're solving. Same thing if you do it this way. This way may look a little neater for you. So we're going to cross multiply. 65 times X is 65X equals 100 times 52. Well, use your calculator. 100 times 52 should give you 5,200. Now, you see you have an equation again. So all I'm doing is going to put my opposite line side by side. Means to multiply, but we're going to do the opposite, bring it over here, divide by 65. Okay? You guys have your calculators with you now, so you should be able to use those. And I pulled one up on my computer, so I'm going to use one too now. So we have 5,200, and we're dividing that by 65. And that's going to give me a total. When I divide 65 into 5,200, it's going to give me an answer of 80. Okay? And once again, that was money, so we should attach the money symbol. So our original price was $80.